Problem number 2.9 is explain what would happen if in the capacitor given in exercise 2.8 means this question is related to our previous question. Now students 2.8 क्वेश्चन की जो स्टेटमेंट थी उस स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंगली हमने कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द कैपेसिटर निकाला था 18 पिको फैराड एंड चार्ज स्टोर्ड निकाला था 1800 पिको कूलम। ये तो थी पिछले क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट, पिछले क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड ये वाला क्वेश्चन है इसलिए हमने ये लिख ली है। नाउ अगर हमने इसको 3 mm मोटी माइका शीट इन कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स के बीच में डाल दी। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स इफ वी हैव पुट 3 mm थिक माइका शीट इन बिटवीन द प्लेट्स देन व्हाट विल हैपन, ये बताना है हमें। अगर वोल्टेज सप्लाई रिमेन connected and supply was disconnected, इन दोनों ही केसेस के अंदर हमें ये बताना है कि फाइनली क्या चेंजेस आएंगे। देखिए अगर हमने माइका शीट लगाई है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो दैट माइका शीट is a dielectric material and capacitance of a capacitor will increase k times if we insert a dielectric material of size equal to the distance between them, between the plates 3 mm, then k is 6. Now capacitance will increase 18 into 6. This is our capacitance picofarad, remain in picofarad which is having value 108 picofarad. Now students this is new capacitance. Charge, what is the charge, what is the new charge into the plates? Q is equal to C V. Voltage supply is of 100 volt and the supply remains connected, then C is 108 into 100. This value is picocoulomb. This is in picocoulomb. Picocoulomb is, as we know, 10 to the power minus 12. So students, after simplifying we have 10.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. This is our charge stored. Potential remains same in between the capacitor plates. Value of potential will remain same. Now students, in next, supply was disconnected. If supply was disconnected, then capacitance, the value of capacitance will remain same, which is 108 picofarad. But the charge will not increase as the voltage, in the case the voltage is connected, but the charge is remains same as in the problem 12 point or 2.8. Now students, what about voltage? As we know, C is equal to K into C naught. C naught is capacitance of a parallel plate having air in between them, and C is capacitance of a parallel plate having dielectric material in between them. After solving this, C is equal to Q by V, and now Q divided by V naught. In both cases, when capacitor having dielectric and when capacitor having vacuum, in both cases charge will remain same. If the voltage is disconnected, charge will remain same, और अगर charge same है then cancel each other. After reciprocal, V is equal to V naught divided by K, which is 100 divided by K, and we have K is 6 mica sheet, so it is 16.6 voltage है, volt लिखते हैं. So student, this is the problem This is the solution of our problem number 2.9.